Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your Facebook friends in one click. Before we get started, a quick word of caution. You will probably come across various Google Chrome extensions that offer to let you remove all of your friends in one click, but in order to do so, you must grant them your login details, which I personally just wouldn't suggest. You don't even know who is working on these add-ons. Somebody might be trying to steal your login information and use it to get into your account. And I wouldn't consider that method. So without further ado, let's get started. If you hit the three lines at the top right here, then tap on Find Friends. Well, in your profile, it might just say Friends. Anyway, go ahead and select your friends at the very top. You will be able to see all of your friends in one place. The trick is to simply click on the three dots and then choose to unfriend them. You can even go through the whole list quite quickly by tapping these three dots and scrolling down and unfriending people. That's the simplest way to get rid of all your Facebook friends. Sadly, Facebook does not provide a single option that allows you to remove all of your friends. So far, the only other option is to simply go back to Facebook and delete your entire account. Clearly, this deletes your account as well as all of your friends. And Facebook does not allow you to remove all of your friends since they want you to just have friends. As a result, they don't provide you with that option. You'll have to go through this process and click one by one, removing those friends along the way. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.